are going to learn something fun together. Are you ready? Let's help the number find their missing friends. 1, 2. What comes after 2? Can you guess? Yes, it's 3. Great job! Oh, number 8 is missing. Let's call together. 8. Here it's come. What number comes after 11? Yes, it's 12. Well done. 15, 16, 17. Who's missing? Yes, number 18. You did amazing. Let's say all numbers from 1 to 20. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, kids. Friends, don't forget to smile and learn every day. Please like and subscribe for more learning. Bye bye.